I'm hungry. Let's open the door. First, eating something. Ow. See what happened? No. It's moving again. Remember, we're repairing our house because it's not perfect. Our beds are not properly good. They're not the perfect size. Okay. Why are you doing like looking down at me? Oh, because I had to quit talk to you. Wait. What? Like that. Ow, my tail. I stuck it. Okay. I made me knock over. I mean, what's the deal? Like, you don't turn around to ponies. I mean, like that. That's the only thing I can do. What? Oh my god. What? I mean, that is weird. I was not talking because that was weird. I mean, I'm shaking. What? Oh my gosh. Is it something I said? Yes, it's crazy. I mean, what's the deal if you're not gonna look at any pony if you're going to talk to them? Just not doing this showing your tail. I saw. I gotta show your tail. I show your tooth. Two. There's no way I'm gonna throw my tutu shoes. Stop it laughing at me. I mean, I'm not laughing at you. You were once. Fine, whatever. What? You know what it is, bye. You what? Was it? What? It's because. What the heck? Like, something like that. Like that, what? Yeah, like that. I cannot believe you. I didn't throw your shoes? No. I would never do that. Of course you would. Haha.